what is today's reading, Ezekiel? Today's Thursday, of week 1 on the new Bible. The snake. No, we read about the snake yesterday. Oh, this is from...
Tomorrow is this.
The tower. Remember the tower?
What tower?
The Tower of Babel. Remember, they built a tower, and then they said, hey, we'll never have to worry about a flood again. We're going to build a tower so high. And then God, he came and confused their languages. Okay, and that's how we got all these different languages. Okay, and then they just scattered. Okay, the people who spoke similar languages, they just joined together and they went to live together. Okay, so here, let's go. It's not today's. What is today's?
Thursday.
Today's Thursday. A big boat.
Oh no, it got ripped.
That's okay.
We
Don't worry
should
about
tape it right now.
No,
After
later.
worship.
Later, yeah.
After this.
Okay. This is from Genesis.
Dada,
What?
after we do this, we tape it, and then let's do the catechism.
Okay.
A big boat, Genesis 6:2-8. After the time when Adam and Eve lived, people became mean and always did bad things. Only Noah and his family kept loving God. I am going to start all over, said God. Noah built a big boat. A big boat. Noah sawed and hammered and built a huge boat. Then God brought animals, bee and fly, ox and fox, cat, bat, rat, dog, hog, frog into the boat. They went big and small, short and tall, and last of all Noah's family, rain drop, then rush, then gush. Waves of water left the boat. But of it floated for days and days until at last the sun came out and watered it, and the water went down out of the boat, came and nose, big and small, short and tall, and last of all Noah's family. Noah said, "Thank you, God. I did it."
You did it, Siki.
I said I did it.